Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Meta Horizon. It's important to know that, as of now, Apple Pay is not directly supported for purchases within the Meta Quest ecosystem. This means you cannot add it as a primary payment method to your Meta Quest app, your Meta Horizon profile, or your Meta account wallet. This information is based on the latest available details, so direct integration isn't an option at this time. While Apple Pay isn't a direct option, you still have secure ways to make purchases. The Meta Quest platform primarily accepts major credit and debit cards. Additionally, you can easily link your PayPal account to your Meta Quest wallet. These established payment methods allow you to buy games, applications, and various in-app content for your virtual reality experiences, ensuring your transactions are smooth and protected. Although direct integration isn't available, there's an indirect method. You can use Apple Pay to purchase Meta Quest e-gift cards from various authorized online retailers. After buying a gift card, you'll receive a digital code. Simply redeem this code within the Meta Quest app or on the Meta Quest website. The value will then be added to your Meta Quest wallet, allowing you to make purchases for your favorite VR content. While Apple Pay isn't directly supported now, Meta may add it in the future. Keep an eye on official Meta announcements for any updates regarding new payment options. For your security, always ensure your Meta Quest app and headset software are updated to their latest versions. Also, remember to enable two-factor authentication on your Meta account. These steps help keep your account and purchases secure, regardless of your chosen payment method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.